Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Brave browser across devices. What you do, open your Brave browser and here go to the top 3 lines and go on settings. After you go here, go under the sync option and click on start using sync. And to start a new sync, just click on start a new sync. And you can decide which device you want to connect or sync with. Then for an example, let's say a phone. Here you have to download your browser, your Brave browser on your tablet or phone, and then use this sync code. And after this happens, a menu like this will come up. After this, you can choose customize sync or sync everything. Customize, you get to pick which one to be synced across the devices. So you can just select sync everything. After you do that, click on view sync and then this menu will come up. And then it tells you what to do, that on your mobile device, navigate to Brave, sync in the settings panel and click the button scan sync code. Use your camera to scan the QR code below. Scan the QR code and it will sync with your phone. And you're done.